Hi guys, welcome to another PK12 Productions. This is the iPhone Pro Max, number 15 of course. So this is in the black titanium. Just having a look at the box here, we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as you can see right there. And yeah, we're just about to check out this particular model in the black. We're just about to see here, so you can see it's the iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium, 1 TB. And yeah, let's take a look at the box. And here we go. Standard Apple packaging, obviously. We just rip. And there we have it, guys. Very dramatic moment there. Alright, so here we go. So we've got the iPhone in black. This is the black titanium. And we're just going to bring it out and we're going to take a quick look. So we've got our new cameras at the back there, including the periscope one at the rear. 5x optical zoom. As you can see that in all the glory. It only comes in the max on that one. And you can see it's very light out of the box. We've got our USB-C there, so you know it's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And we've got our braided, which is very surprising, a very braided USB-C cable, which is unusual for Apple to give us. So that's very thumbs up for that one. And let's see what else we have here. We've got our Apple stickers. We've got our SIM ejector tool and various other documentation. You know, the same crap that we get every year. So anyway, let's move on. Let's see what we have with the iPhone. So let's take a look around it. We've got our power button. We've got nothing else, clearly. We've got our USB-C, speaker grills, microphones, a SIM ejection tray. We've got that action button, that new enjoyable action button, and also the 3 cameras, including that 5x optical zoom that we now have. So let's see what else we have. We have a whole range of accessories, as you can see right here. We've got our glass screen protector. We've got our fine woven black 15 Pro Max case. And of course the usual suspects of 20-watt adapter and a MagSafe connector. So let's go to the main event. Let's put on the screen protector. So this is a general screen protector you get off Amazon. So it's the pre-conditioned ones where basically all you have to do is stamp it and it does the rest. So we've got 2 in here basically, and we've got a couple of tools that come with it. So we're just going to apply one of them, and we've got this really spatula tool, which is unusual because you'll see in a moment why we don't need that. And let's put her on. So it tells you where the top is. It's always good. You just got to remove the back, and then you just got to stamp it down. That's how easy it is, guys. And it's best to do this straight up. So take off the thing, and we will now push it down, and there we go. It's pretty straightforward. I thought I'd use the tool they gave me just for the heck of it. So that was pretty bad on that first try there, but it usually doesn't happen in that regards. But yeah, look, it's real perfect once you've done it. Let's power it on and see what this particular thing has. So we need to put the case on and the SIM card. So let's put in the SIM card first. And away we go. So I usually get eSIMs, but I've had troubles with eSIMs in the past with Telstra, so I figured let's just go back to a regular SIM just for this one. So we've got everything sorted. We've got everything going. The final thing on this cherry on top of the cake is... And that was a fail. Getting that opened was just a fail. But anyway, let's get this case out. Alright, here we go. We've got our case out. This is the fine wave, and it feels really weird in comparison to the leather cases I've always had over the years. So this is, I guess, a suede version of it, because that's what it feels like a velvety sort of action right there. Similar sort of BS. You can see it's around the side there. It's a very good leathery touch on the sides there, so that's, I guess, a plus. But you got that velvet on the back. Let's put the lovely phone in. It actually snaps in really good, so it's a really snug fit for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And yeah, it just fits really well in this case. It's better than the previous iPhone cases that I've seen in terms of fit. But we'll see how this holds up over time. But it's very light, even with this on. It works really well. All the ports are exposed. It's a really nice fit. So well done, Apple, there. So let's get this set up. So I'm going to go briefly through the setup because there's a lot of setup involved and you don't want to see the setup. And plus it's a surprise for everyone else, everyone can just go in and do the setup they like on their own. So I'm just going to go through this briefly. So we're just going through the setup. I'm just going through my Wi-Fi, and probably won't show you this on camera, but yeah, that's pretty much the iPhone. So yeah, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium black. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe.